Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to our shows after Hours with Bereez. Let's see what Banknifty did today. As yesterday I had mentioned about this small liquidity hunt, and I had a small bias towards that we could see a dip or a bearishness. The market did give a dip, it bounced back intraday itself, but overall the markets were pretty sideways. Not a very good day for option buyers. Again, what I see happening are two scenarios now. I am still the priority would be towards bullishness as the major trend is still up. But now I see these two liquidity hunts or stop loss hunts, which does show that buyers are not interested to buy on these higher levels. Also, technically, if you see, this is a double top pattern. I'm still telling you my priority is bullishness. I'm still bullish. But now two scenarios can play out. One is the price would come to this level, make a reversal pattern and can break the highs. Second scenario that can play out, and I think it has a equal probability, is the markets will come here, rest for a while, and then break down towards this level. So as a trader, you should always be ready to change your views as and when the markets show they are reversing or bottoming out or forming a top. So these are the two views in Bank Nifty. So basically, the crucial level to look out would be 42,286 zones. Over here, look out for pat. Don't directly jump into a long position or a short position. I would not do that. I would wait for it to form a reversal pattern, or if it breaks down with a big bearish candle, yeah, it would confirm that we have topped out. Moving on to Nifty. In Nifty, as you can see, it was pretty sideways today itself. And also, as you can see, we had drawn this level, I think 2 videos back, and it's still respecting it. 18,350 today also. If any scalper would have went long here, could have made decent gains. But I am not into scalping. I did not initiate any longs here. This level did hold on pretty well. Again, here I have not shifted my biasness to bearish. I would wait for a dip and look out for reversal patterns at 18,100 or the 18,000 psychological level. This level will play a very crucial role in deciding. Here the change of trend can happen. Basically, here Nifty can change its trend from an uptrend to a downtrend. These are the major key levels. Nothing that I can see happening. Any more setups happening right now on the charts. So you shouldn't ever try and find patterns if the pattern should come out. And a lot of people tend to force patterns, as I've been saying this on in every video. Right now, as I'm not seeing any patterns, I'm not gonna force them. Just have my levels marked and will patiently wait to form a setup. Okay, now we had also moving on to stocks. We had also mentioned about Manappuram. Manappuram has been sideways pretty much. It's not moved anywhere else, but the trade plan as it is was wait for the retest for these zones of 110 to come and then initiate longs. Again, we don't directly jump into a long. We wait for a reversal pattern to happen. Uh, I think yeah that no, we don't see any stock uh, setups happening as markets have been pretty sideways. So this is the only stock now that I am tracking. That's it from my side. Then that
Thank you, Kshitij.
yeah
As Kshitij said, one of our levels that we have been mentioning for the past two, three of our YouTube videos, 18,350, it worked well today also. First it gave only 20-25 points of move, but then after a little break, the move continued for, if I'm not wrong, 60-70 points. So that was a good trade to take.
yeah
Of course, yeah. Of course, I didn't take it since I was in primarily option selling position since today was an expiry day. But yeah, I was watching the level, and it was very satisfying to see that level in today. In fact, it gave two trades technically. In the first candle, also that level was
yeah.
tested. So
In
two
fact, this
trades
move was
yesterday too.
quicker.
Yeah, it was very quick. So two trades yesterday, two trades today. I think the level has done its work
Yeah.
for the time being. I mean, it might be respected here on out as well. But yeah. So good trades from that level. Titan moved down by quite a bit. It's a stock I track very regularly. It moved down by 2.36%. And it has taken once again a resistance from its ATH level. The
Yes.
supply zone that is marked on the chart, it is still working as a supply zone. And it is not unusual for stocks like Titan and other stocks that are rated very highly on a PE scale. Titan's PE, I think, is somewhere in 90 or 100 range. Uh, Exact details our viewers can, of course, find out. But yeah, it's not unusual for such stocks to be in a range bound sort of situation for extended periods of time, and that is what we see here. So I'm not worried at all. Titan is always buy on dips for me. So I don't mind if Titan stays here for even longer. It gives me more time to build up my position as well. Coming over to Nifty IT, Nifty IT index, if we see, the move is only 0.9% down, which is very misleading because the larger stocks were the ones who did not fall by much. TCS primarily did not fall at all, just by 0.2% down move. Nifty going down by almost one, Infy, sorry, going down by almost 1%. But if you go to the smaller stocks in Nifty IT, LTI moving down by 2.25 percentage points, India Mart moving down by 2.75 percentage points, Mindtree moving down by 2.5 percentage points. So all these stocks did lose quite a bit of value intraday, but of course the fall was led by Naukri or
Yeah.
yeah, so uh, yeah, Info Edge, there it is. It moved down by 5.79%, so that's quite a big fall. But so far, it's bullish bias continues. There is a trend line to be found. Our viewers can find it. We can leave it for them actually. If
Okay.
anyone's interested in taking this trade. So, Info Edge is another stock that I will be monitoring, but for lower levels. I don't wish to take any trade here. Uh, since the last 5 days, the moves have been very drastic. If you see, two large green candles followed by one large candle, then sort of a basing candle, then again a very large candle. So
Yeah.
that tells me that volatility is back in the stock to some extent. Whether that takes the stock up or down, that remains to be seen. But
And
so far, it has taken supply from 4,200 levels. So
yes. And
I
also
think
forming a
bias,
basing candle at the supply is the supply again. So
yeah.
there can't be
So
any up move until and unless it's tested again here and broken on the upside.
yeah, so that's that. These are the large movers. No, nothing else happened really in the market
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
Auto index moved down. All the other indices were mildly bearish, nothing noteworthy really. Kotak Bank also, which have been talking for the past few days, that also moved down.
Yes.
HDFC Bank and HDFC no longer leading the index higher. In fact, they underperformed the index today. So HDFC was down 1.4% intraday. HDFC Bank was down almost a percent down. So once again, lag coming back in HDFC Twins and Bajaj Twins are already underperforming. So all in all this led to indices closing in mild red territory for the day. Tomorrow, maybe we will see some up move
Yeah.
if some short covering comes. If because tomorrow is Friday, so that usually happens.
A
But we
big
will see
trending
how
day
it goes.
is pending. I'm
Yeah,
waiting
yeah,
for it.
true. Yes, yes. A good directional move can be seen.
Yes.
Let's see whether it plays out or not.
Yeah,
A
and
lot of
something that we were observing also, we can tell them about Nifty that it's in its smallest range in a monthly smallest range. So yeah,
yes,
it's only
yes.
in 400 points range, and if you see prior, whenever such months have come, the next months can be really directional. So
Hmm.
hoping that we
Yes.
break the ATH and have
Hmm.
a directional
Yes.
one-sided move.
That will be a really nice
Yeah, as it
move.
is,
It
India
will.
is outperforming the other markets, so I wouldn't be surprised to see that.
Yeah. We have been disconnected from international markets for a while. Not necessarily a bad thing. Uh, because of course the kind of recession that other large economies are predicting, we are not seeing that in our data just yet. but we will see how it plays out. Of course, macro events are factored into market much before they actually happen. So
And if I
that's
have to sum
usually
this
the
sum
case.
this sum this in the meme language, निफ्टी झुकेगा नहीं साला, ऐसा ही हो रहा है लग रहा
Basically,
है.
लग तो ऐसे ही रहा है. That's,
हाँ
I mean,
हाँ
I'm pretty sure a lot of people have lost a lot of money in past some, I guess, 1.5 month waiting for Nifty to move along with global markets, but that hasn't happened. So it's always better to not fight with the trend, especially with indices and when your position is going to be inherently leveraged. So that's something to keep in mind when planning the trades. Of course, if you are taking risk defined positions, there's no harm done. The best you can, I mean, the kind of loss that you will take even after a major gap move against your position is already defined. We did discuss such strategies in our F&O show. So if you're interested, make
yeah.
sure you join us there after this as well. That's pretty much it from my watch list at least. Have we missed anything?
No, that's it. Today, as it is, the markets were sideways. There's nothing like exciting happening. So
Yeah.
So I think that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please do follow us on our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Go follow us on our Instagram and Telegram channel, which is absolutely free. We do keep posting setups which whenever we find them. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you guys. Have a great day.